Do you want to know how to make money on the Crypto.com app? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been using the Crypto.com app for quite a while, and I've also talked about it before here on my channel, and many viewers have asked me for an updated tutorial that shows the different ways you can use it to earn. And in this video here I will show you 11 ways you can use it to earn. So before I log in and show you some options inside the app, let me start by option number 1, and that is you can get a joining bonus. You get a joining bonus if you of course have not started yet, and if you join through an invitation link. And the joining bonus will depend also on the membership level of the person who invites you, and also the actions you take once you join, because you will get some joining bonuses. For example, if you stake for a Visa card, so you can get a Visa card, if you make a deposit, if you do a trade, all these different things there. But I have a membership level. In general, it can fluctuate a little bit, but it should give you an opportunity to get a joining bonus of minimum $100 if you actually start using the app, actively get a Visa card, all these different things there. So make sure, if you're not a member yet, to actually join through an invitation link. As mentioned, I will leave mine below, but that's just one of the ways. If you're already a member also, there are many other ways you can use it to earn. So let me now log in and then I'll go over some of the other ways. I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and the next option we should talk about is to trade, because it is a crypto platform. So of course you can buy and sell, you can take profit. Of course it comes with the risk, that's how it is if you want to trade, but it is a way to earn in here, and Crypto.com makes it super easy to buy and sell crypto even for complete beginners. You can do it different ways. You can see there is a button here called trade. There's also buy sell there, so you can do it as you want there. But let's say you wanted to sell, then you could choose the crypto that you wanted to sell, and then you can just sell it right away. That is this one here, one time. So when it reaches a certain level, you can just sell it. It's the same when you buy it, basically. And also you can do this here where it's a target price, and you can also do that when you buy. And this is a very easy way to do that. So let's say that you wanted to buy a crypto, whether it was like Crow, Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever it is. Then you say, okay, when it reaches this level, then I want to buy, because then I think it has huge potential to go up from there. Then you do that. Then you just set it to this like target price there, and then you would choose the amount you would want to buy, and when you wanted to buy it, the price you want to buy it for. And the same when you wanted to sell it, you could do it like that. So then say you buy it there, when it reaches that, it buys automatically, so you don't have to sit and keep an eye on your phone. Then you say when it reaches this level, I want to sell it. So you don't have to keep an eye on it. It will do that automatically. So you can either do it here and now by just keeping an eye on it, or you can set it this target price. So very easy to buy and sell and trade crypto like that inside the Crypto.com app. The next option here is called Mission. So you can see here, you can go in the menu and find that. And here you can then daily claim one of these free gems there. And right now I have claimed it today, but you just have a button down here. You need to click and then you need to add it, and they have it there. And then you can use that to get these different mystery boxes or different products if you want in the mystery boxes that will actually give you free Crow, Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency. You can also earn it every time you trade. When you trade for a certain amount, you will get these gems there. You can see you can also go here. Here it says if you buy sell there, then you'll get 10. If it's more than 500, you get 50 there. They also have these others there. If you just check in there, they have some onboarding when you first start exploration. So there are different ways to earn that. You can claim one free daily, or then if you just use the app actively, you will get added more. You can go here in the store and then you can claim it. See here the exact options they have available will vary from time to time, but you can, for example, claim one mystery box here, and then you say you redeem it. If you have 25, you would need that for it, and then it opens up and you can see, congratulations, you received 3.1 Crow. So that's free crypto like that, even if you don't use the platform a lot for other aspects. But if you do, this is extra free crypto. Whenever you, for example, trade, you get these gems that you can use to get extra free crypto. So definitely also an option to be aware of. The next option, if you go to the menu, is something they have called crypto baskets. And here you can choose what they have made, these pre-made baskets there, for example, memes or what they call Freedom or US Blue Chip or Ethereum. So that's like different coins on the Ethereum chain or Solana. So you can choose one of these here. You can read a little bit more about it. Then you can see the performance. And just be aware that just because it says this is the performance the last year, it doesn't mean it will perform the same the following year. So of course, be aware of that. It comes with risks, but you can buy this. So you buy these different baskets there, and when you do that, you can see that then you also get this automatic rebalancing option weekly. You can turn on or off if you want to, and rebalancing, as you can see there, that means that it buys and sells assets to maintain a desired ratio between them. So that's a way to distribute risk and remove emotions and all these different things that does this automatically. So this is also something you can look into. It is kind of also like trading, but it is where you buy these like baskets instead. And then we need to talk about also the Visa card. And once you have one, you can see it inside here. You can also get it physically, so you have it physically. I also have one physically. I've showed it in previous videos also. I don't have it here with me right now while I'm recording. But in general, what you can do with this one here, it gives a lot of benefits. I actually have a recent video where I talk about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner, because it first of all gives you cash back. So whenever you spend crypto, and it makes it super easy to spend crypto, because you can use your crypto as you can with any other Visa card, online, offline. So super convenient and easy way to spend crypto. And not only that, you can also earn cash back. You can also get, for example, Netflix or Spotify for free, depending on your membership level. It gives other different benefits. It gives you extra earning opportunities. All that I go over in that full video. But the Visa card definitely also a great way to actually increase your earning options inside the Crypto.com app. They also have something here called Pay section, and this is basically a cashback option also, where you can see some shops here, you will get cashback. So that means when you spend money, you're going to spend anyway, so you'll get cashback into your Crypto.com account there, even for gift cards. So for example, you can see if you were going to shop in some of these platforms there, then you can actually get cashback. So that means you basically get some of the money you're going to spend back into your account anyway. So this cashback section, definitely also one to be aware of, that I have experienced that quite a few people actually have overlooked. And then you can see there's a whole section here also called finance, and it's important to make you aware also that Crypto.com actually keeps expanding, and they also will soon have bank services, options for stocks and more. So if the menu looks a little bit different when you join the show, because they keep updating, then these are just the options. So if it's moved a little bit around, don't panic, you will be able to find it. This is just to give you an introduction to the many different ways. And in this finance section, there are many different options. For example, the earn section. And the earn section is where you have these different cryptos. You can see the ones they currently have, and that means that you can choose any one they have here. And again, the rate you can get here will depend on that membership level you have, depending on which type of Visa card you decide to get, if you decide to get one. And you can see then if it's a fixed term, you will earn a certain percent there. If it's flexible, so that means you can take it out whenever you want, because of course if you lock it for 3 months, then you cannot sell it within that 3-month period. So that's something to be aware of. But if it's crypto you're planning to hold on to anyways for a while, then you can see you can get some really great interest like that. So definitely one to keep an eye on and check out also. Next we have staking, and in one sense as a user, it kind of is very similar to the earn option. It's basically just where they have some different cryptos, where you can see here, they explain more about staking. If you want to know more about it, you can go there and read all about that. For example, for Kronos, you can see the estimated yearly rate would be 7%, but staking, then you can just stake it, you can unstake it when you want. Usually there's unstaking period for a certain amount of years or so. So that's just something to be aware of. But again, if you were planning to say, let's say you had some Kronos and you're just planning to hold on to it, I have some staying there that I'm planning to keep for a while, then I can just unstake it if I want to sell at some point. But then you just stake it, and then you will actually earn interest, and they pay that into your account here several times per week. So you'll actually passively earn that way. It's the same with the earn section there. So definitely also want to check out if it offers any of the cryptos that you are planning to hold on to for a little while. In the earn section, there's also this one called DeFi Yield, And again, it is where they have some other options there, and you can read all about what it actually offers or what it is. If you want to understand the details about it, they have a whole article about it. And also it says that you can easily access these decentralized finance protocols, and you can see again there are some different, if you tie it up, for example, for a year, how much you can earn. But again, of course, be aware that you cannot sell the crypto within that 1 year. And here, currently, they do not have that many options, but they do have some. So it can also be like if it happens to be one of the cryptos that you want to hold on to for a long time, then it can be some really good extra passive income. They also have the supercharger, and the supercharger is where you can use Crow to put into account in here, and then they have a period where you just earn passively, and then you have to come and claim. They have these different campaigns, so it would be a new crypto once in a while that then if you have put these Crow in here, then you will earn a part of the overall pool. How much you will earn will depend on that. I would say it can be interesting to do, but it is, in my personal opinion and experience there, not as effective, for example, as the staking, but it can be a way where you can get some newer cryptos usually. Sometimes it can actually also be Bitcoin or Ethereum, so that you can get for free or by just having Kronos standing there. The last option here is the Airdrop Arena. And the Airdrop Arena, you can see you get some daily rewards when you come in, but here again, you can stake some Crow for a period of time, and then you will participate in these different airdrop campaigns for different cryptos. You can see here, for example, the total rewards for that, and rewards up to almost 20% per year for this one here. And how big a part of that you will get depends on how much you have actually put into here. And it's again, you don't invest anything, you just log it there, for example, Crow in here, so then you get some other cryptos. But once that lock period is over, then you still have the same amount of Crow, that crypto there. So you're not investing anything, you're just letting it stand there and then use it to earn a different crypto if you, for example, don't want to use the staking or the earn section. So which of the options is best really just depends overall on the type of cryptos you want to earn. Some are offered in the earn section, some in the staking, some in the airdrop. So take a look around there, and then Crypto.com definitely offers a lot of passive ways to earn once you have the app there. Anyways, many of them requires you to have Crow or Kronos, Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, and if you have that, or if you get that, then it gives many opportunities here. That's also what is needed to get the higher levels of a membership with the higher Visa cards, where you get huge benefits. But I hope this video helped you figure out the many opportunities the Crypto.com app has. As mentioned, if you are not a member yet and you want to get a great joining bonus, I will leave my invitation link below. I also do have a full playlist of all kind of different tutorials about Crypto.com, so if you want to dive deeper into certain aspects, then you can also check that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.